Hello YouTube, Romo Dragon 87 here, and today I got a video for you. If you have an old PS3 or PlayStation 3 or whatever, like I do now, and basically your controller is a little messed up. I'll show you guys right now. Turn it on. So what happens here is the joystick spins for some reason. I don't know what happened to it, but yeah, I don't know. It's just an old controller. So be showing you guys with this right here, what it does with that controller. Okay, so now it's like hit and miss, so I'll show you guys what I'm talking about. I gotta get me a new one, but what I'm doing until I get that, I found out with a temporary solution, which I will show you guys after this. Oh, nice. Okay, so let's just say we do one player. Okay, look at that. Just going nuts. Uh-oh. And yeah, that's what it's been doing. Which is kind of interesting. Whoa. Okay. So I will show you guys a solution for that. If you guys have just a weird controller that is acting up. I don't know why it acts up in games like that, honestly, but it does. And if you see here on the menu, it doesn't really act up. I mean, it does, but not really. So what I will do is show you guys an alternative. Okay. Shoot. I don't know, I just turned off just the controller. Yes. Man, okay. So now, get a controller like this, or any kind of, well, controller, you know. This one I just got off Amazon, technically. Looks like a Xbox One controller, kind of. It's for a phone, I bought it. And you could do for Windows, Apple, and Android. Apparently, and why is this important, or have anything to do with this video? About to show you. So you take this. This is just a controller I just picked up recently off Amazon. And I really wanted to play the old PS3, you know, one day. So I tried that because it wasn't working out with my game. So, and at first when I plugged it up, I was like, yeah, it's not gonna work. And I was like, doubtful. But then I have it set on Windows right now. Look. This is on the PlayStation 3. crazy. Now watch. Even in the game, I'll show you guys. It's kind of crazy that just wireless phone controllers working in the PS3, I guess. Just do the same thing. Bam. There you go. That's all, folks. That's what you do when your PlayStation 3 controller stops working. You just get a... Well, I honestly recommend you get a replacement for this and stuff, but if, you know, you just want to play it and you don't really care that much anymore, you know, just to go back and just play some PS3, hey, you got something like this lying around. There you go. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you.